Are your videos getting lost in search? That is so frustrating, especially when you know you've made something good. Most creators either skip tags entirely or just throw a few random words in there. And honestly, YouTube settings have moved around so much, it's easy to get lost. I'll show you exactly where and how to add tags in YouTube Studio so your content actually gets found. We'll start from the dashboard, navigate to content, edit a video, and add tags with proper formatting. Let's go. First, sign in to YouTube Studio. This is your command center. If you're already on YouTube, just click your profile icon in the top right and select YouTube Studio from the dropdown. It takes you straight to the channel dashboard. Now, from the left-hand menu, select Content. This is where all your uploaded videos live. You'll see your entire library here, sorted by date by default. If you have a lot of videos, you can use the search bar to find a specific one. Click the pencil icon next to the video you want to edit. It's the little Details button right beside the video title and thumbnail. This opens the video editor. You'll see tabs for details, monetization, and more. We are focused on the Details tab. Scroll down and click Show More. This is the part that trips people up. A lot of the important settings are hidden by default. Click it and the page expands with a bunch of additional options. Now for the main event. Type your tags into the Tags box. You'll see a field right below the description. This is where you tell YouTube what your video is about. Think of it like a summary for search engines. Start typing your main keywords. And here's the really important part. Separate each tag with a comma. Not a space, not a hashtag, just a comma. Like this. If you type YouTube tips, comma, YouTube tutorial, comma, video tags, each one becomes a separate tag. Once you're done, click Save in the top right corner. Don't forget this step. It's easy to get distracted and close the window. Always double-check that blue Save button. To verify, open the editor again. Scroll down and click Show More. Your tags should be right there in the box. Then close the editor and return to the content list. Check the video status to make sure it's public or scheduled, and repeat this for your other videos. And here's a few best practices I've learned through trial and error. Use a mix of broad tags, like photography tips, and specific tags, like indoor portrait lighting. Don't stuff your tags with irrelevant words just to get views. YouTube will see right through that. And keep your tags under 200 characters total. Focus on terms that describe the exact content of your video. Common mistakes to avoid? Don't use quotes around your tags. Don't use commas at the end of the list. And don't repeat the same word in every tag. It doesn't help. One more tip. Use your analytics to see which tags actually drive traffic. Go to your video analytics and look at the search terms report. You'll see exactly what people typed to find your video. Use that data to refine your tags for your next upload. To wrap this up, go into YouTube Studio right now and add tags to at least one video, even if it's an old one. It only takes a couple of minutes, and it can make a huge difference in your search visibility. Thanks for sticking with me. Now go get those views.